we went out to dinner this weekend for Paul's birthday and we had some leftover lobster. So you know I wasn't leaving it behind. So I brought it home and I'm gonna make a little lobster salad situation for lunch. So I chopped up the leftover lobster in here and I've got one stalk of celery that I diced really finely. I got a croissant heating up in the oven. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of salt, a bit of pepper, these fresh chives that came out of my lettuce grow that I grew myself, and just a little bit of mayo. Also gonna add just the teeniest bit of paprika. Yeah, that looks perfect. Okay, here it is on my croissant. This is a croissant from my favorite bakery in Denver. It's called Bakery 4. Cheers. So good. So easy. So yummy.